What's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel where we all learn to make interesting projects with Arduino. Friends, it's my mother's birthday tomorrow. And you know what? I have made her a Arduino based gift. It was not possible for me to go out in this lockdown. So I made this for her at home. Do you want to see it? Of course, yes. Friends, this is the Arduino based birthday gift which I will give to my mother. Look at my mother's birthday present which I made with Arduino. Friends, do you also want to make it? Yes, you want to. Friends, to make an Arduino based birthday gift present, we require a liquid crystal display with I2C module, a clap sensor, 4 LEDs, one resistor, a few jumper wires, and an Arduino Uno and a breadboard. And of course, our buzzer to make the happy birthday tune. Friends, let's get started. I will show you the construction first. Friends, this is the clap sensor, the buzzer, our 4 LEDs, and our LCD with the liquid crystal display. Friends, LED interfacing was done in one of my previous videos. Buzzer interfacing was also done. The clap sensor has been connected to pin number 2, and these two pins are the ground and VCC respectively. Friends, this is the liquid crystal display. With the I2C module, it has 4 pins: ground, VCC, SDA, and SCL. Ground will be connected to ground, VCC to 5 volts on Arduino Uno. The SDA is the will be connected to A4 on Arduino Uno, and SCL will be connected to A5 on Arduino Uno. Friends, these ports cannot be changed. Coming to the code part. Friends, the clap sensor was inputted on digital pin number 7. These are all the notes which we will play on the buzzer to generate the happy birthday tune. And friends, here I am making a pattern of the LEDs by sequentially switching them on and off in a pattern. Friends, this was the code part. Coming to the output now. Friends, this was today's project, making an Arduino based birthday gift for your loved ones. Friends, if you like the video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And moreover, friends, I have made my own website. You can also visit that to get to know about more about Arduino. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.